equations of motion. V equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, v square equal to u square plus 2as. These are the three equations of motion. What does this v, u, a, t, s, etc. denote? Let us explain the equation of motion. V equal to u plus at graphically. Now look at this axis. X-axis represent time, y-axis represent velocity, and this straight line graph having a slope is the one we got when an object travels with velocity u at time t equal to 0. It changes its velocity to v after a time t. Now the object is moving with acceleration a. At time t equal to 0, its initial velocity is u. At time t equal to t, its final velocity is v. And this is the graph we got. Now from the graph, it is clear that the graph is a straight line having a slope. What is the slope of the graph? So we know slope of the graph is y by x. So what is y for this graph? Y is representing this portion. That is, y is v minus u. What about x? X is t minus 0. So when we write the slope is equal to v minus u divided by t minus 0. But for an object in uniform acceleration, the slope of velocity time graph is representing its acceleration a. Therefore, the equation can be written as a equal to v minus u by t, or cross multiplying at equal to v minus u, or v equal to u plus at. So final velocity of the object is the summation of its initial velocity and the product of acceleration and time taken. Thank you.